Red Carpet Bay Area found a nonprofit organization that's improving the lives of millions of people living with HIV/AIDS in Africa, Accordia Global Health Foundation. High atop Macy's in San Francisco, friends and supporters gathered at the Burger Bar for some good food, great company, all for a wonderful cause, a vibrant, healthy Africa.
I'm Hubert, Keller, chef and owner of the Burger Bar right here on the Union Square in San Francisco. And tonight we have a fabulous fundraiser going on in our private room here. We have some great things to auction off tonight. We have a fun crowd. Obviously you can hear behind me, it's really noisy. We have lots of great wines, lots of great food. We put a 4-course menu together with lots of surprises during the evening.
The party's been great. The food has been spectacular.
Spectacular is an understatement. In addition to gourmet burgers, buns, and fries, Hubert always brings something unexpected to the table.
So something very unique we're serving with our roasted beet salad is a cumin seed ice cream. I think you probably want to try it.
That is incredible. All of the wonderful supporters from San Francisco that have come together to support Accordia Global Health Foundation in its work in Africa, responding to what is really one of the biggest epidemics of our time.
The statistics are staggering. 22 million men, women, and children are infected with HIV/AIDS in Africa, a continent where every 30 seconds a child dies of malaria.
HIV/AIDS, malaria, TB, all types of infectious diseases is our focus.
Accordia was co-founded by the late Dr. Sande, Dr. Nelson Suinkambo, and Hank McKinnell. They started building powerful partnerships. Heads of state, researchers, academics, doctors, and pharmaceutical giants like Pfizer, raising money and awareness, training leaders, and changing lives.
We have outreach to about 400,000 patients annually, and we have about 50,000 on life-saving therapy. One of the most important things that Accordia does is that we are African-owned and African-led.
Accordia's flagship program, the Infectious Diseases Institute in Kampala, Uganda, employs some 800 African healthcare workers.
They're training physicians, nurses, lab technicians, so thousands will train thousands who will care for millions.
We are not a Band-Aid. We're building infrastructure. We're building the whole person. Their emotional needs, their cultural needs, and their community needs.
Once they're well, they need to contribute to society. They need to get new skill sets. We work with them. We call them our friends.
I've met incredible people from Uganda who come, and the head nurse at the foundation there, and I mean, this is a global health issue and it's very important.
My wife Fang and myself were guests in Kampala in 2006, where we could see what had been done there. We both fell in love with the cause, and we've been active ever since.
The work they do is just incredible. They're making such a big impact on the lives of people in Africa, and it's one way that we in more prosperous societies, where we're so lucky, can really help.
I love what we do, and Accordia is one of the biggest actors in global health.
I love the passion. I believe in the energy. I believe in the cause, in what they're doing.
Africa is one of the fastest growing economic regions in the world. We are in a world that is more and more intimately interconnected, and a healthy Africa is a thriving Africa, and a thriving Africa is good for all of us.
Find out what you can do and learn more about Accordia Global Health Foundation on their website, accordiafoundation.org.